Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. I want to thank the subconscious mind of all the participants in this room, because it is the subconscious mind that has been taking care of you by taking care of your digestion, breathing, blood circulation and heartbeat all these years to keep you healthy and happy. Thank you, subconscious mind of all these participants. Now I am asking you permission to talk to your subconscious mind. If you give me that permission, just nod your head so that I know you have given me the permission. Wonderful. So I request the subconscious mind of all the participants to take full control right now. Let the conscious mind take a back seat. If it likes, it can go around here, or it can go somewhere where it likes. Now this time when you are relaxed, every breath that goes in is taking you deeper and deeper into a wonderful state of relaxation. Feel that relaxation. When you listen to my sound or any sound around you, it's taking you deeper and deeper into this relaxation, and every breath that goes out is moving all this stress, strain and tension from the body. Okay, wonderful. Now I'm moving from 3 to 1, where the relaxation is going to increase mainly 4, 3. You can feel relaxation going deeper and deeper. The subconscious is in full control. 2, it is deepening exponentially, and 1 right there, deeper than ever before. So in this deeply relaxed state, when the subconscious mind is in full control, I want you to bring a mild to moderate negative emotion or memory into your mind. Not a severe negative memory, a mild to moderate memory or emotion into your mind. And I will count from 1 to 3 when it is intensifying to a peak. And when I reach number 3, you open your eyes, look towards your left, then look towards your right, and come to the center. 1, 2, 3. It's the peak. Open your eyes, look to left, look to right, come to center, close your eyes. Now, bring a positive memory or emotion to your mind. The moment that you are positive, you could have felt that every cell is vibrating in your body. Positive memory. Some of you may be smiling, the thoughts come to your mind. Wonderful memory, positive memory or emotion. Be there right now. See the scene. See what you see, feel what you feel. Totally and completely. Now, 1 to 3. When I come to 3, you open your eyes, look towards the left, and look towards the right, come to center and close your eyes. 1, 2, and 3. Now close your eyes. Think of a negative memory or emotion. Not very deep. This time, it can just take 3 seconds. That's right. Just 3 seconds to remain. It will be immediately replaced by positive memory or emotion. That is the power of subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is doing that. From this point on, any time a negative memory or emotion comes to your mind, just 3 seconds and it will be replaced by a positive memory or emotion. Because the subconscious has activated that part in you right now. From this moment on, it's a different life for you. Any negative memory or emotion comes, it's just for 3 seconds. It's replaced by positive memory or emotion. Okay, thank you. We can see you.